In this video, let me show you a review about Turbo Shine Nexa. Is it a scam or is it legit? So let's find out. The Turbo Shine Nexa is a 3-in-1 car product that claims to clean, polish, and protect your vehicle's surface using nanotechnology. Marketed as a quick and easy solution for car enthusiasts, it promises a showroom quality finish without the need for professional detailing. Starting with the pros, the first benefit is the ease of application. The spray on formula is designed for quick use, making it convenient for people looking for a fast and hassle free car care solution. Another plus is a multi surface use, as it's advertised to work not just on cars, but also on motorcycles, metal tools, and other surfaces. On the downside, many users report inconsistent results. Some say it doesn't deliver the promised shine or scratch removal, and in several cases, users notice no effect at all. So, is Turbo Shine Nexa a scam or legit? While the product is technically legitimate and available for purchase, the large number of negative reviews and recurring complaints suggest it doesn't live up to its marketing claims. Inconsistent branding, questionable results, and poor customer satisfaction indicate that consumers should be cautious when considering this product. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.